Hey guys, um, this is just going to be a quick summary as to what you can expect from this tutorial set. Basically, I've broken down the workflow into 8 steps, as you can see here. And since there's so much depth to each topic, I'm going to quickly go over what I think is critical and omit the rest for now. Before we start, though, here are a few examples of the scan data we will be able to generate after just going through the first tutorial. And basically all you need for this step is a camera or a smartphone. I think this is the best and fastest way to get on your feet. And maybe down the road I can expand on each one of these topics that I've listed here. But first off, we'll start with how to take quality photos, and then we'll go into a step-by-step instruction on how to use Agisoft. Next, we'll go over some quick and easy ways to increase the mesh quality and improve workflow efficiency. So that's mainly in here in the second tutorial. By the third tutorial, we'll be working primarily in ZBrush, and we're going to further improve the mesh quality and reduce the total file size. And basically from 4 till 8, it's basically going to be continuing to increase the quality and finally like refine it into a game ready model. Yeah, and I just wrote some notes down here. Like, the only thing you basically need are a camera or a smartphone, and here are some of the programs that you need: Agisoft, ZBrush. You can download trials of both of them, I think, as well as Lightroom. Lightroom isn't going to be mandatory, and I'm just going to be using it for raw photos. So if that's something you don't feel comfortable with, I mean, you can omit that part completely. And Photoshop will just be for some color corrections with the textures. And if you don't know what any of that means, that's okay too. I'll explain it when we get there. Alright, so if this is something that you're interested in, then just follow along to the next video.